Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This 650cc twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 4,500 miles. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. She's equipped with some nice upgraded accessories, including the smoke windscreen, bar end mirrors, adjustable levers, engine guard, and a rear expandable luggage case. 6-speed transmission. I love that matte green and black finish. Very low miles. Come on by, make your mid-weight cruiser dreams come true with this awesome Vulcan S for just $69.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.